Poor Chloe. She's gone. She left. I know. Her brother took him out. Oh.
That's what should have happened. That's him to give me a quarter. Thank you so much, Cole, for your help. You can have
You like that?
Take off.
That was funny. Say hi. Hello. Okay.
Maybe. I'm gonna do it one more time later on. No. Only one Timmy. Okay. Quarter? No. So, there are people who saw this earlier. Exactly. I know there were some of you who saw this script earlier. However, because there's more people, I'd love to get more different people involved. I need another volunteer. Who hasn't done anything? Man! You already did something. I know. Why don't you help me?
Do it.
People are agreeing. Shouldn't you?
I'll go then.
No. Come on, somebody who hasn't helped me yet.
Nope.
Hurry up. You can do the next one.
You having fun over there? Just rolling around.
You have volunteer here. Now everybody pass this around. Make sure there's nothing inside the bag. Nothing inside the bag. Yes, because I did it to you.
Ew, don't put that in your mouth. That's not good.
That's her brothers are in here too. So.
Chloe, are you okay?
She got
Yeah. Of the toilet paper.
or something. She said the guy said boo, and she's like, I didn't like the guy saying boo.
That's good. Don't worry, there's no scary toilet paper anymore.
So she was all bent in the shade. He said boo.
He had this toilet paper with like two tape, like eyes, for, tape for eyes, and then he squished it, and it would like that, and he goes, "Boo." She was like, "Ah!" Jumped into the side. It was the cutest thing I've ever seen.
It's gonna be easy as this. You're gonna do as I do.
She's upset. So we had to go outside and walk and
yeah.
come back in.
Yeah, readjust. Yeah. Oh man.
Hello, these kids don't have adrenaline.
Yeah. Oh, it was precious.
You okay, Chloe?
Go ahead and grab
Where
that.
did you come from?
Show everybody what you got. Okay, go ahead, throw it back in. Ready? Do it again. It's your stance.
Is it covered?
It is. Good job.
Give us $1.
You love these.
Do a elephant.
Elephant.
Do a chicken. Do a tiger. Do a chicken. Do the chicken. Do the tiger. Done.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back and listen to them talk, okay?
Ooh.
You'll be okay, brothers are in here, okay?
Baby. Well done.
What? Hey, buddy.
There we go. That's where you've been hiding those. You have to see.
No, don't eat that. Don't eat that. It's not good for you. No.
You're right. Anybody have a cell phone?
Yeah. Wait.
I haven't answered.
Oh.
Yeah, I haven't answered. What's your question?
You went what, under my chair? You crazy.
No.
Balloon.
I
Like balloons. You love balloons? I love balloons too.
Because it's holding air, there's
What do you do about it's a drum? Sound of a drum.
it is the sound of the drum.
Oh, bass drum.
I hope you custom it.
What?
He liked chocolate.
Not bad, right?
He did.
You go ahead down and make sure it's
He's like, poof.
pretty much in
And
there.
it's gone. That's just
Oh, look at that. You can see the light of the phone through the balloon.
He likes poop.
yeah.
Hold on to your
Tati. Mercedes. Here.
I want to go with popcorn.
Not bad, huh? Awesome. Go ahead. And you thought it was going to be bad.
Correct.
I did say you can help me with the next trick, didn't I?
Yeah. Don't let her do stuff.
Yes. Certainly.
Oh, so yeah, that's why you don't want to eat that, because you just stepped on it. You don't want to eat that. No,
All right,
no.
everybody. Let's do this one together.
Oh,
Smile.
that broke.
Uh-oh. Oh, you're good, man. You're all good. Trying to mess with me?
Now watch.
Okay, what are we going to do with this situation? You don't know. It's now you have two toys. Yep. Yeah, you might need another one.
You take it and you roll it just down the middle. Two.
Oh, well, now it's everywhere.
Do this one.
Now I want to go get one. I want to go get it. Good hustle.
Here. Now watch. Did you see it? She saw it. Did you see it? See what? Are you lying to me? Did you see it? What? Here, let's start again. Go.
I want to do it.
Hold your hands like this.
Yo.
Hold on to that ball. Ready?
I'm trying, man. This is my dolly. You're my dolly. Mr. Scorsese over here.
Good. Come on.
I don't want this. You ate this
Wanna try
earlier.
now?
Yeah, I'm impressed. Wow.
1 plus 1 is?
Yeah. Oh, it's the name tag.
If you have seen this before, don't ruin it for the others. 1
I thought
plus
it meant
1 is?
something to you, Connor.
Really? 1 plus 1 is 3? You're first.
You dancing? Woo!
1 plus 1? 1 plus 1? No, it's
Do you want to hold this? You want video? Video him. Play it so.
okay, Oscar, you and I are going to do this. Look, here. I'll put 1,
You're too
2, in one hand.
Now I too big.
Last one in my back pocket. Oscar, how many do I have left? 2?
You like
Okay,
that?
let's start again.
That cool?
1, 2.
Oh, look how much dough he made.
Yeah. I don't
Put 2 in this hand. The last one in my
Me
back
too.
pocket.
I don't want Tina hair up.
Hold on.
What?
I don't want Tina hair up.
No. No.
Squeeze it. I give you 3, how many do you have?
Yeah, that's probably a good call.
4.
Did you have fun? I'm glad. Winner is like, look. What? Yeah, she's right there. Yeah.
We're looking at the other way.
Yeah, this is happening. It's happening right now.
How many of you know what this is?
Now he's doing that. Yeah, he's here. And then,
Now he like,
yeah, yeah, he is. Yeah, he's just whoosh.
Looks like a bag, but it's not. No, it's not.
Oh, don't do that.
Not a poncho.
I don't want that.
No! This is not the napalm.
Oh, watch out for the wall.
You take it, put it on, and bam, you're gone. No more. You can't see him.
He's doing it again.
You really want to see me? You do it, don't you? No, we're gonna do a card trick
Yeah.
instead. I need 2 volunteers.
Oh. Oh, you gotta come back here. Watch out. Oh, watch out. Yep, you know what? You want to get hit by a ball, it hurt.
Go ahead, say your name for everybody. No, tell them. This is Tamara. Thank you.
You came back for me. You're back. We're back on the team. Oh. Your brother's gonna hit you. You can't drop it though. Alright, you can do it for 30 seconds.
Alright, Tamara. Take the cards.
one more just in
You
case.
can mix them up.
1, 2.
You don't know. Yeah, that's fine. Count 10 cards out loud. Everybody count them with her. That's, thank goodness the floor was there, else that would have fallen forever.
Yeah.
2. Come on, everybody. 3.
You got the good crew. Oh, watch out for my leg. Stunting over here. Stunting like it's a habit.
Yes, you counted to 10.
Yeah. Your little sister didn't see it. That was hilarious.
And Tamara, these cards. Do you have a pocket?
I've never seen someone so frightened by toilet paper
Pocket.
in my life.
These.
Great. Cool, you can.
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
She got 10 too. Look at that.
What's up, man? Okay, do it.
And now, yes. Yes. Wonderful. Okay. Now, in order to steal cards from her and give it to Nicole, I need aid of a special device. So excuse me for a second. I keep it off stage.
Hey, Kai. He pulled me aside and said that you need to clean all that up. So, he pulled me aside and said that you need to clean all that up by yourself for some reason. Thank you so much. Yeah, you hold that for later.
I'll drop it just for you.
Now, 3 cards will go from Tamara. Nicole.
Oh, yeah.
That's 1.
Chloe. Get down.
That's 2. Nicole, did you feel number 2 then?
Can you see me?
Yeah, you're definitely, you're on there.
Ready? That's 3. That was the easy part. Now I'm going to blow your funky minds. There are currently 2 people on
I'm gonna
stage.
drop it.
Now there are 3.
Is this yours?
I know, it's kind of
Is
weird.
this yours?
Believe it or not, I walked invisibly among you guys. Invisibly among you guys. I took 3 cards from the camera and gave it to them. Camera, count them out loud for everybody.
1, 2,
Then I won't drop it. If it was yours, I would drop
Okay, Nicole, your turn.
me and Maria are going to go see your mom and dad.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
3 cards from her. Thank you.
it. Hey, clap, 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 clap. Here, I'm probably gonna drop it. Got it.
You said you can't.
Not without this. Invisibility glove.
Try to do something magical.
Uh-oh. What?
Oh, that little girl that was with me is not here anymore.
Last trick, you guys.
Well, she's with her brother,
Hold on
but
with this one, Lex.
here, you hold this.
Hold your hand like this.
You're gonna be back, right?
Sure, I can't get to it. Now the rest of you are watching me very closely. Ready? And there you go, a quick trick. Thank you very much for your help, Lexi. You can have a seat. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, now let's dance. I'm sorry for the mess. It was all her. All her.
The yoga mat.
I just got
And
it.
him.
I just finished
Not him. It's all his fault, too. He's in the thing. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Really taking over everything.
Whose is this? Whose is this? Dylan just gave it to me.
Wondering who that was.
Looking good.
Thank you.
Okay.
I can teach you guys a trick, Jake.
All right, and cut.